Allie Borealis here. Welcome to my channel and thanks for subscribing.
So I ordered this package from Black Dog Vintage. She's a YouTuber as well that sells jewelry, and she goes to a lot of estate sales. I highly recommend her site because she has great prices on vintage jewelry.
She comes back with all kinds of beautiful vintage jewelry that's all up for sale, so check out her YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe.
Well, that's super sweet. She even has dog paw, a little dog paw baggie that she put it in. And she's thanking me. Thank you, Leslie. Oh, how sweet. Thank you for your purchase and for supporting our small business. Your purchase not only helps the environment, but a portion of every purchase goes toward Detroit, Michigan area animal rescue organizations. I hope you will shop with us again. Use the code. Okay, thank you, Leslie and the Black Dogs. Oh, that's amazing. I didn't even realize that she donated a portion to the animal rescue. Oh, that makes it even better. So I saw a couple of things that she had posted, and I ordered them from her, and I told her that I would do an unboxing video because, you know, when I was just starting out, I don't know if you guys know Girlio. She did an unboxing video of stuff that I had sent her, and I got a whole ton of new subscribers when she did that. So I'm just paying it forward. So she said she was going to put the things that I ordered in here, plus give me some bonus surprises. So let's see what she put in. Oh, I think this is the pair of earrings that I wanted. So I'm always on the lookout for Juliana pieces. And you know, there's really an art to identifying Juliana pieces, and I'm still learning it. Some pieces I can identify really easily, and some pieces I'm like, yeah, I don't know about it. So I thought that these might be Juliana pieces. So I thought, let me just get them, and then I'll do a little more investigation on them. Ooh, but look how gorgeous they are. Whether they're Juliana or not Juliana, they are gorgeous. How beautiful are these two rhinestone earrings? And you always want to look at the backs with Juliana. Whoop. I don't think these are, but I'll have to investigate a little bit more to tell you for sure. These feel very lightweight, and I think Juliana pieces aren't as lightweight as these feel, but they're gorgeous nonetheless. Unmarked. So we have those.
Okay, let's see what else she put in here. Look at that sticker. Dog paw. Ooh. Wow, these are my bonuses. Sure. Ooh. Ooh, these are little clippers, clip-on earrings. Wow, I've never seen these. I think they're branded too. I think these say Coro. Let me check them out. Yes, these are Coros. I have never seen this style of Coro, these little leafy feathers. They're very clean too. They look like they're in great condition. There they say Coro right there on the back. Wow, thank you. These are super pretty. So we have those. And then look at this. She sent me some more rhinestones. Oh, this is a beautiful little brooch. Is it a brooch? Yes. Vintage rhinestone brooch. Maybe it goes that way. Yeah, I think it goes that way. It's very delicate. Has very delicate wiring. Can flip it over here. I love the construction. It's unique. I haven't seen this style of kind of wired out pieces that make up a brooch like this. Or you could probably wear it in that direction too. Lots of options. I love that she sent me rhinestone pieces as my bonus. Or this one, this rhinestone piece. Rhinestone and branded. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, this is the bracelet I wanted. Ooh, look how pretty. Lots of rhinestones, and I'll do a little bit of research. I thought by the clasp that this might be a Juliana, but I want to look into it. Wow. Wow, how sparkly. Pretty pink AB stones in there. I love how it glistens and glimmers and shimmers. I haven't seen a bracelet like this either. It's so nice. I feel like the pinks and the golds work well together. And you see the back construction too. Okay, I'll have to look into that one. And the last one is a very special barrette. Cut this open. All right. You know, Juliana did make barrettes, but their verification website, I think, only has 1 or 2. But look how gorgeous that is. Very special. It has all the rhinestones, prong set, and this is the back clip. Oh yeah, this is, I think that's the puddling, the figure 8 puddling that Juliana has. So I'm going to look at this one. So I'm going to research these a little bit more and do a Juliana video along with some other pieces that I have, and we can kind of discover together what we think, if we think they're Juliana or not Juliana, based on what we're finding against verified Juliana pieces, and I'll show you where to go to find the verified pieces. Thanks for joining me today. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. It's free.